Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on competency based question and answer from chapter 14. Dear students, take your textbook. Open chapter 14 and follow the class with your textbook and your copy. So let's start the class. Today we will discuss from question number 8. This is competency based board question answer. All are competency based board question answers. The stem of the question, that means CBQ, is Mr. Rahman has bought a new car that is developed by using science and technology and that can use gasoline and electricity as fuel. What type of car is it? He wants his son to be a student of science and technology in future. What is the necessity of learning the subject that Mr. Rahman wants his son to study? Dear students, by discussing the question, we can understand that the hybrid car can use gasoline and electricity as fuel, and this is the invention of science and technology. Let us discuss the answer of this question. The car that Mr. Rahman bought is called hybrid car. Mr. Rahman wants his son to be a student of science and technology. The necessity of learning science and technology is given below. First one, it gives solution to the problems that are created by the increase of population. Second one, it helps us change our attitude and solves population growth issues. And third one, it helps us develop human resources. Dear students, let's discuss the next question. The question is, if someone asks you to make a list of impact of overpopulation on water resources, what will be your answer? Dear students, let's discuss the answer of this question. I will answer in following way. Water is polluted day by day as a result of excessive population. To meet the demand of growing population, the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides in agriculture land has increased. These chemicals are washed into ponds, canals and rivers by rainwater, causing the water to become polluted. If the population of a country increases, the number of industries of that country increases proportionally. The wastes released from these factories are washed into the different rivers and canals, polluting the water. Dear students, let's go to our next question, question number 10. Write 3 advices for the preservation of forests. The answer of the question is 3 advices for the preservation of forests are: first one, mass public awareness should be created to conserve forest as well as environment. Second one, plant more trees for saving the forest from extinction. Third one, collective efforts to be initiated from the end of government and non-government organization for creating more and more forest. Now we will discuss the last question for today's class and for the chapter 14 also. This is question number 11 and is also broad question. What is density of population? Write 4 sentences about the effect of rapid growth of population on the basic needs of human being. Dear students, we have discussed already what is density of population, and this answer also we have discussed when we discussed the chapter 14. The answer of the question is population density is the number of people per square kilometer land area. Effects of rapid growth of population on the basic needs of human being. First one, create pressure on natural resources. Second one, cause shortage of food, clothing, housing and land. Third one, have less chance of getting medical and education services. And fourth one, make people easy to get diseases. Dear students, there will be a comma, and here I have given homework for you. This is homework number 16 for annual examination, and you have to do CBQ 10 and 11's answer as your homework, and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, this one and this one is your homework. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Learn all the question answer, read all the chapters properly which are included to your annual examination. Do all the SW and submit it regularly, because you will get your CT diary and SBM mark on the basis on your performance of your SW. Obey your parents, stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.